Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Learning Hunt. Today we will learn how to create bullet type items, numbering list items, bold text, italic text. So let's start. At first we will create bullet text list item. So as you can see that this is the Visual Studio Code interface and this is my HTML page. Okay, so let's start. For creating the bullet type list item, you have to write the UL tag here. So as you can see that this is the open tag of onward list and this is the closing tag. So in the UL tag you have to write the list item. So this is the open tag of list item and this is the closing tag of list item. Okay, so in the list item what you write here, you found that text or that element in your list. Okay, so I just write here the name like Ramesh, and let's write here again and list item. In that list I also write here a name and let's create one more. So I just write here see. Okay, let's save this file and refresh your page. As you can see that in this way you can write here the bullet type element. Okay, so here in the UL tag you have to write the list items. How many list item you want you can write here, and in that way your list is visible. Okay, or in that way your list will be appear in your HTML text. Now let's create some numbering list item. So for that you have to create the OL open tag and then OL closing tag. So let's again write here the list item, that is Ramesh. Let's create a list item for Suresh, and at the last for Sita. Okay, let's save this file and refresh your page. As you can see that your same list will be appear in the numbering list. So in that way you can create the numbering lists. Okay, so let's create a bold text. Okay, so at first I write here some paragraph. Okay, that is I use here the lorem 50 words. As you can see that the Visual Studio Code is write a 50 words paragraph for me. Okay, let's create some text or some bold text in this paragraph. So at first we will see our paragraph. As you can see that there is no bold text any. So let's create. So for creating the bold text you have to use the strong element here. So as you can see that this is the open tag of strong element and this is the closing tag. Okay, so let's copy this line and I will paste here. So let's save this file and refresh your page. As you can see that what text you write here, which text you write here in the strong element, you can see that these texts are become a bold text. Okay, so in that way with the use of a strong element you can create a bold text. Okay, or with the use of EM element, that is here with the use of EM element. Let's copy this text and paste it in the between of EM tag. Okay, let's again save this file and refresh your page. Here you can see that your EM text will become an italic text. Okay, as you can see that this text will be different from this. Okay, so in that way you can create some list bullet type list item, numbering list item, strong. With this help of strong you can create the bold type text or with the help of em you can create the thin tab. You can also create you can also use the sub tag and sup tag for giving the style of your text. Okay, so let's write here some text, just like I am the first person who reached the station. Okay, let's create some space in the between of with the help of br tag. Okay, now save this file and refresh your page. As you can see that your text will become here. This is a short paragraph. Now I use in the first text I use here the sup tag. Okay, so I just copy this and write here sup. As you can see that this is the open tag and this is the closing tag. I write here the same first text in the between of this element. Now you can see that what is the use of this tag. Let's save this file and refresh your page. As you can see that your first text will be a little bit up in this sentence. Okay, so with the help of sup you can create that type of text, and with the help of sup you can create same but opposite. Okay, let's copy this text and paste it here. Now I write here the sub tag and in the between of I write the first. Okay, now save this file, but before the save I create a space in the between of both paragraph. Let's now save and refresh your page. As you can see that the same text but with the sub tag your text will little bit down. So in that way you can give some style of your text, and you can also create the description list. So for creating the description list you have to write here the dl tag. So this is the open tag and this is the closing tag, as you can see that. So let's create the description heading. So here for description heading you have to write the dt, and in the between of I write here the just like a html. Okay, this is the html and I write here dd tag. So dd tag is for the bottom. This is become a heading and this become your sentence. And let's write here just like a hypertext markup language. Okay, let's save this file and refresh your page. As here you can see that your description will be created. Okay, so today this is for today. If you learn something today, then give a thumb, press the bell icon and subscribe the channel.